Hey there, folks. Welcome back. Today, we're taking a ride into the future, and it's looking mighty interesting. We're talking about something that could change not just how we work, but how we live. It's the latest creation from Figure AI, and it's called the Figure 03, a third-generation humanoid robot with brains, beauty, and brawn in all the right places. Now, this isn't another prototype that'll sit in a lab gathering dust. Nope. This one's built for the real world, designed for mass production, powered by a brand new kind of intelligence, and ready to step right into our homes, offices, and factories. Figure has pulled the curtain back on the three, and it's a big leap forward. This robot isn't just built to impress, it's built to integrate. Every nut, bolt, and line of code has been crafted to work hand in hand with Figure's own AI brain, something they call Helix. Helix gives the 03 the ability to see, understand, and react. It's the mind behind the motion, the spark behind the steel, and the reason this machine feels just a little bit alive. To make that happen, the folks at Figure went back to the drawing board and reimagined everything. The sensors, the hardware, the software, even the way the robot perceives the world around it. The Figure 03 comes with a new camera setup that doubles the frame rate, cuts latency by 75%, and widens its field of view by 60%. That means faster vision, sharper perception, and better control in every movement. Now picture this. The robot reaches into a cluttered cabinet. Its main view is blocked, but right there, in the palm of its hand, is another camera. It's watching every move, giving perfect feedback in tight spaces. And those fingertips? They're loaded with sensors so sensitive, they can feel a force as light as 3 grams. That's delicate enough to pick up an egg without cracking it, or handle the tiny parts of a watch without breaking stride. It's touch and sight working together, the same way we humans do it, but with machine precision. And here's the thing. All this intelligence doesn't come wrapped in cold steel. The Figure 03 is smaller, lighter, and covered in soft materials designed for real human spaces. Protective foam at the joints. Textile covers you can wash and replace. All to make it as approachable as possible. Because if robots are going to share our spaces, they'd better feel safe to be around. Communication got a boost too. A larger speaker for clearer voice interaction. A repositioned microphone so it can actually hear you in a noisy room. And when it's running low on juice, no cords, no plugs, it just steps over a charging pad, powers up through its feet, and it's ready to roll again. The battery has multiple safety layers and meets strict UN 38.3 certification standards, so it's built to perform safely wherever it's deployed. Now, Figure didn't stop at making it friendly. They made it scalable. The 03 is the first of their robots engineered specifically for mass production. They've set up a brand new facility called BotQ, where the machines that build the machines are already hard at work. Initial production will hit 12,000 units a year, ramping up to 100,000 over the next 4 years. That's not concept art. That's real manufacturing muscle. And for industry, it's got the specs to match. The new actuators are twice as fast and deliver more torque, giving the robot stronger, smoother motion. That's a big deal for assembly lines, logistics centers, or anywhere precision matters. You can already imagine these robots handling complex pick-and-place tasks or loading parts that need both care and consistency. For businesses, Figure has even thought about branding. Companies can customize their robots with uniforms or digital side panels. It's a small touch, but it shows how the company's thinking ahead, not just about the tech, but about how it fits into our world. And that's really the heart of it. The Figure 03 isn't just another humanoid robot. It's a practical vision of what the next generation of work might look like. Machines that don't just move, but think, sense, and adapt. Smart enough for the factory, gentle enough for the home. Figure's goal is simple but profound. Make humanoids that are general purpose, mass-producible, and genuinely useful. With Helix AI guiding its perception and reasoning, and a production line designed to scale globally, they're closer than ever to turning that idea into reality. So the question is, where do you see something like this fitting in? Would you want one helping around the house, doing chores and fetching coffee? Or do you see it taking on tougher jobs, handling tools, repairing machines, keeping production lines moving 24/7? Let me know what you think down below. And hey, if you enjoyed this look at the Figure 03, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around. Because this isn't science fiction anymore. This is the beginning of a new era. And I've got a feeling the road ahead is going to be one hell of a ride.